Okay, I'm going to show you how to put a 45 on this tile trim. Okay, how did I do this? Okay, the speed square. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to put a 45 angle, 2x4 or whatever it is you need. Alright, it's quick and it's easy. All I do is this bottom edge, this is your 45. Alright, this will give you a 45, and I'll show you how that's done right now. Alright, I'm going to take, we'll call this your fence, okay? Take this edge, this lip right here, and I'm going to run it, I'm going to flip this around, okay? Now, if I go this way, my long point is going to be at the top here. Well, I don't want it that way, alright? I want my long point going down towards the bottom. So I bring this here. All right. I'm sorry. Here we go. All right. Now I've got it positioned on there properly. Okay. You can see here's my corner. I bring this just almost to the corner. Just enough to get my pencil in there. Okay. And I bring it back just enough to get my pencil lead in there, and then I come down. Okay. Now, get this back here. Get that marked. Okay. Now, there's my 45. Now all I got to do is cut it. Okay. Now, cutting it freehands, you got to have a skilled hand for doing that. And let's get this cut. First, I'm going to clamp it. Okay, that's how you cut a 45. All right, it doesn't have to be complicated. Now, doing it freehand is challenging until you get used to it. So that's how you do a 45. Now, if it was a saw, you use a saw. And that's how you use your speed square to make a 45. Just take your time, pay attention, and it's practice. If it's your first time, do some practice cuts, Practice does make perfect. So, quick and easy. Let me know what you think in your comments, and look forward to hearing from you. So remember, never give up, because there's always a way, always. There truly is. We just got to figure out or know or learn what that way might be. All right, bye for now. God bless. Let's pray for this country, this world, and keep looking up. Bye for now. Bye. Home improvement tips.